Hello dear mathematics enthusiasts, welcome to section 3 of trigonometry. Main identity is so important, guys. The first formula in the trigonometry is sine of any angle power 2 plus cosine of exactly that one power 2 is 1. Let's prove that. You know, in here opposite is A, adjacent is B, and hypotenuse is C. Therefore sine is A divided to the C, cosine is exactly B divided to the C. Therefore sine power 2 is A2 divided to the C2, but cosine is B power 2 divided to the C. If we're gonna to sum these two factors, A power 2 C power 2 plus B power 2 C power 2, you know in the bottom is C power 2, but A power 2 B power 2, you know in Pythagorean theory when we have a right angle, that is A B C, we know A power 2 plus B power 2 is C power. Therefore this part is C power 2 and they can cancel each other and answer is 1. Okay, it's so important, guys. For every angle is true, therefore sine of 80 degree power 2 cosine 80 degree power 2 exactly is 1. But another question is a little tricky, because sine of 20 degree and sine of 70 degree, this formula is for sine and cosine. Therefore, but you must consider, we can, when alpha and beta is 90 degree, sine of alpha is equal with 12b. I told you yes, cosine of beta. Therefore, sine of 70 is equal with cosine of 20 and is exactly cosine of 20. Right now, sine of 20 power 2 plus cosine of 20 degree power 2 exactly are 1. But another trigonometry identities, the main identities I proved seconds ago is sine alpha power 2 plus cosine alpha power 2 is 1. But another property is isolating. You know, we're gonna to isolate sine, therefore 1 minus cosine alpha power 2. Therefore sine, we take root square from both sides, sine of alpha is 1 minus cosine of alpha power 2. The exam programming, exam activities, you achieve cosine of alpha is exactly root square of 1 minus sine alpha power 2. Okay, but if we're gonna to divide this formula for both sides of them to the sine power 2 is sine power 2 x divided sine power 2x plus cosine power 2x divided to sine power 2x is equal 1 sine power 2x. But also is here is alpha, but it's better I write this alpha and alpha. Okay, sine divided to sine is 1, but cosine to sine is cotangent, but power 2 is cotangent alpha by power 2 equal to 1 divided to sine alpha power. Anybody know what's the 1 divided to the sine? We have a ratio for this. If you know, please tell me in the comments. But if we gonna to divide it to the cosine, this identity exactly is sine power 2 alpha divided to cosine power 2 plus cosine power 2 alpha cosine power 2 cosine power 2 is 1 divided to cosine power. And if we're gonna to summarize this, sine divided to cosine is tangent, but power 2 is tangent alpha power 2. Cosine divided to cosine by power 2 is 1, and answer 1 divided to cosine power 2. Let's summarize these proofs. The summary is at the first, the main identity in here is sine alpha power 2 have a relation with this, and 1 power cotangent of power 2 is 1 divided to sine power 2, but 1 plus tangent power 2 is 1 divided to cosine. And you know this is sine divided to cosine, and you see these denominator are the same, and because you don't forget them. And this is relation, this parenthesis is relation between sine and cotangent, but this one is a relation in between? Tell me yes, cosine. And thank you for watching our movie, and this is our introduction of trigonometry. In the other courses I gonna teach important notice, for example trigonometry equations and the plot and graph of them, and like this. Please subscribe our channel and follow our channel.